So from Mantamo Swafo, yeah, Dr. Archibald Lacha. Na wase mantam no one my crowd say bibra man ahodo nyina no wo mo ebeje wo mo e wo Volta Regional Fair 2023 de no wo my crowd so obesomo.
Mantamo Swafo Dr. Archibald Lacha eba Ghana Industrial Summit Exhibition na sia ochre say obehwe wo mo a ede wo nema pa waye wo my Ghana mu ebekire e wodwumede yase ni titiro ene wo mo fi from Mantamo twemu say efri obobo so me de to so aduonu nsia ede kosi openima bo so me de to so du Wamo ene AFCTA aka bomu a oye Volta Regional Fair ya washa kwan se enipa fi achichi ne bencheye eba behunu enema pa otimi ye o my Ghana mu.
So we spoke yesterday and I promised to come around today. And the exhibitions are quite impressive. I'm particularly interested in the exhibitions from Volta region. You know, we are going to have the Volta Fair 2023 from 26 November to 10th of December. So we're speaking with the exhibitors here, hoping to see all of them in whole during the 2-week fair that we're going to have in the region. So it's good. It's a great initiative and very much impressed. The 2021 fair was great, but the 2023 will be greater than the 2021. So we invite everybody to come around.
And wechi wonu bi edo woni ma be kire ye ne Adom Kasee etwetwe sankomo yi.
Save dear oba flavors na woodro pee. Wona obekire ne a wope ne ayama ye tumi de amanfo mfoni so eye chocolate.
So far, there were 3 types: smooth cayenne, sugar loaf, and MD2. Yinina ye export, but we na ye tahu market pa sugar loaf no.
Milk chocolate with peanut, your milk chocolate with cashew nut, and ye sanso ye customized chocolate. So customized chocolates na ye for corporate organizations, ye for birthdays, ye for weddings.